Ready? Oh, open it, guys.
Open.
Wow. What the heck daw, de? Oh, para mag-ano kayong barilan kini kuya. What the heck daw sabi ni si Daddy, what the heck?
Turn off this, ha?
May battery tayo bili, ha?
Yay!
Like it, Char? Can I see yours, Char? Can I see yours? What's that? It's?
I have a big chocolate toy.
Sino yan? It's?
I have a
Bumblebee. Eh, kayo, te. Saan ang isa, te?
Wait lang. This is what I got for the Secret Santa for my the grade 6 diamond.
No.
Ito na si Super Tanto. Did you buy another one?
Another one, of course. Pakita mo sa'yo, Kylie. Mag-remote tayo. Mag-ano tayo, ha?
Oh my god. Actually, that's good.
You like it?
I got a chocolate.
What's chocolate? What's chocolate?
Nice. Oh yes. Okay,
Agad, tiny. Ilagay mo siya sa floor. Tiny boy. Ano to na? Who's that tiny boy? It's
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Ikaw? Namatay na si Bumblebee.
Ako si Optimus Prime. Where's Optimus Prime?
Show me yours, Kyla. Show me yours. Start, oy, nawala man ang kuan. Wow!
Oh, you have a kuya.
Pwede mo napatayin si Kuya, no? Yung fight with Kuya na. Mga 9 andito natin sa 9. Dali, dali! Ilagay mo. Kayla, Sar! On mo, Sar.
Bobby, Bumblebee, take.
On mo, please. Wow!